Guys, we're going to start this little deck project. So we're going to get some tools. We're going to tear this old stuff apart, start fresh, get all this cleaned up, and then we'll get at it. Okay, now let's just start taking this all apart and see what we get. We're going to use this. We're going to keep that bottom and we're going to continue it all the way to the end. I'm just going to cut a piece from there to there and we'll restart our structure here. But let me clean all this up first. $61.5. Find this nice piece of wood. So, got a bit of cutting done. You can see how this is going to be my joists all here. I might have to cut some more. This is going to go underneath the joist, this here, 4x4. Or maybe it's a 5x5, I don't know. And then I'm going to have another one sitting on the cement here and on the cement there. And probably on that stone over there. But I might have to mill myself another piece of this. $4 1/4. So that's going to be the layout, roughly. The faceplate's going to go on. Then we're going to put our deck boards on. And need a little 4x4 or 5x5 or 6x6, whatever we can get out. And we're going to use this old piece of cedar. It looks like crap, but you'll see, it'll be good. I'll show you. I'm going to try to treat the end of it. Let's see if it works.
That's not bad, just a little bit of softness right here.
So, got my 5x5 there, got my 4x4 on top. Just screwing it down. Recycle these screws, because they're still good. That one's a little bit twisty, but that's okay. There. Bang on. Just got to put a shim under this one. Our big rock holder here. Right there. And then we can start laying our joist on. Now, we just start screwing things in. Let's see what happens. So I just set the 2x6 on there just to see how she's going to look. Obviously some part of this wall is not completely straight. Or maybe it's the, no, it's the wane on the board. So we might have to flip it over. I went ahead and planed all the wood. Not nailed yet or screwed, but oops. Let's see what it's going to look like. Still got to screw it, and then, so next step is we're going to put some screws.
Got these wood all planed up yesterday.
Come on. And there you got it. That's a bit of water from the eave, but now we're gonna do a special finish on this. I still got to do all the bats here. I did the board, but I never finished the bats. And I want to re-stain. The whole house needs a good re-staining. We're gonna do the hillbilly concoction stain. I'm gonna go for a little bit of a charred look, and then we'll put our secret topping on it. Just gotta make sure we don't burn the house down. Yeah. Smoke, but no fire. If it is, we'll put the garden hose. Not a big deal. If I should put a bottom under there, I probably should, because wifey will probably say, how come there's missing there? Putting on our homemade stain. Be sure some of you guys might know what this is. You can leave it in the comments if you know. we have our little step we built. I still got to do the railing, but I'll do that in another little video or a short or something. But it's what you can make with scrap wood. I know you guys seen where the wood came from. It's all wood we got in the bush. We cut it up, we milled it up. It's not all perfect, but it'll work for this. I think it turned out pretty good. Got our little two-step. Maybe a little bit dark on the burn, but I'm pretty sure it might fade off. And we didn't burn the house down. I sprayed water right after anyway, so just to make sure. Last thing we want is going up in a ball of flames. So there we go. That took some time. So yeah, if you guys like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, take care.